Alright, I finally got a replacement TurboEverdrive since I traded my first one for this CD dock and then bought a junk Japanese PC Engine CD-ROM, and I needed the laser to be swapped and the pots to be tweaked and all that. And so I went ahead and got a disc to test with. I figured a multi-game demo disc would be a better test than most, and so this one has Far East of Eden and Dragon Slayer, and I'm running the patched Super System Card for TurboEverdrive. This one is the Japanese BIOS, and if it will load, yeah, looks like it works. And Dragon Slayer works as well, but I did notice something weird. Let me cycle the power. And sorry, I'm using one hand. If I load the TurboGrafx-CD version, which is also supposed to be a Super CD-ROM, a Super System card, and it is supposed to play the games at least region free. The cards themselves normally need an adapter since their pinouts are different, or region mod in the system. But you know, there's not supposed to be any problem running the disk. Yeah, see, PC Engine just appeared up there, and the copyright date changed because that effect is loaded off of the disk. All right, I'm going to skip that. So if I load Dragon Slayer, that will work perfectly. But you know, the only change here is that I'm running the the patched American BIOS instead of the patched Japanese BIOS. And I get this nag screen. I think it's telling me that I need a Super System card. And you know, this should be behaving as a Super System card, but since it doesn't give it to me on the Japanese version, then it seems like it's effectively a region lock. And you know, maybe the full version of this game would work just fine, kind of like the menu of this disc worked fine. But still thought that, you know, obviously there's some difference if I'm getting a different result here, and maybe it's something the authors want to know about. It could cause problems in other games, and yeah, I don't know if they want to patch it, if there's going to be a revision to the patch or what. So I still figured I'd share just in case, since I hadn't heard about this problem before.